What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now, I know I said earlier this year, a few months back, I did a little review video, you know, on some shoes. And those shoes were the lost and found Jordan 1s. You know, me personally, I'm a big fan of that sneaker, man. Like one of my favorite sneakers of the year. But then another sneaker came out. And you know, I did say that the lost and found ones was the the shoe of the year. You know what I'm saying? The self-proclaimed sneaker of the year. But as with everything, you know, things change. You know, people's mindset changes, ideas change. You know, it's life. Things change. So another shoe came out, and you know, I finally got him in hand, finally saw him in person, and I was like, I don't know. I think my mindset on the, my outlook on the sneaker of the year might have just changed just a tad bit, man. Cause this shoe, when I got it in hand, I was like, oh yeah, these joints, they the ones. They one of them ones. They special to me. Now that's to me. You might still have another shoe that you might think might be sneaker of the year, but to me, this shoe really is like a step above a lot of other sneakers that came out this year. But without further ado, man, that shoe I'm talking about is the Air Jordan 4 A Ma Maniere.
Hey, that nigga Carol made this.
Alright, y'all. You already know how A Ma Maniere does do their thing, man. You know, with their packaging. Their packaging is always, in my opinion, always top tier. You got the little slide out box, whatever, with the A Ma Maniere logo all around the whole entire, of course, plastic packaging. Everywhere on the whole plastic packaging. But of course, it slides right out. It's not like it's stuck to the box, nothing like that. And then you get your amazing, beautiful color, this violet, purple, whatever you want to call this color, Jordan 4 box. Now, I did not know at first that it still had like the little Jordan 4 print, on most Jordan 4 boxes all over the side of it. And that's also a nice touch in my opinion. You can kind of feel it, you can't really see it that good until you get up close with it. But when you feel it, you can just feel how detailed that is on the side of the box. You got your A Ma Maniere logo, of course, on the side of the box, on both sides of the box as well. Got your size tag right here. It reads the size it is, the colors, all that good stuff right there. If I'm not mistaken, I think it says the color is violet or medium ash black, metal violet, whatever. But enough about the box, man. Let's get into I didn't even forget about this part. Y'all can see that right there, that background right there. A lot of y'all probably know what this is, where this came from. That last shot that Jordan took, that buzzer beater shot that he had. Y'all know about that shot. But it's another nice touch that A Ma Maniere does with their box. They put a lot of detail in their boxes. I can't say that. A lot of details in the shoe as well. They do, They take their time with these boxes a lot of times. But y'all can kind of see that right there. It's a real nice little touch there as well. But of course, A Ma Maniere paper inside there. But let's get into these sneakers, man. So when I tell you, this is probably one of my favorite shoe releases this year. Man, if y'all can see this, bro, like this might be what I would call the sneaker of the year, man. Like the details from the colors to everything about this sneaker is so dope in my opinion, man. Like I don't think I don't really care for on this shoe for real is this little metal black ball, whatever that is right there. It got the A Ma Maniere logo in it, if y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all can really see that well. But you got the, the A logo inside there as well. But I'm not really, I don't really care for that. But everything else about this shoe, man, from the way the colors blend so perfectly well in this shoe, man, with the violet ore color they got on the upper to the black around the midsole, so you go a little further down to the cream around the midsole as well, and it goes right back into that purplish color right here, which is real dope in my opinion, man. Like, from the only thing I do wish that this shoe would have came with that it didn't come with is an extra set of laces, man. So you got, you know, of course, the A Ma Maniere hang tag on the side, you know, nice little big plastic hang tag, comes in the plastic bag as well. But no extra laces. It would have been nice to see this shoe come with like some cream laces or something like that. That definitely would have set the shoe off. I think I might end up switching these out for some cream laces, honestly, truly, when I do decide to put these on feet. Because this shoe, man, that cream is definitely gonna make this shoe pop way more. You know, and it's also the small details about this sneaker that really just stand out in my opinion, man. Like you got the quilted tongue right here, man, like all around, you know, the back of the tongue, all around the inside. You can see all that right there. That quilted is real soft as well, man. That's what makes this shoe, in my opinion, you know, stand out amongst the rest of the sneakers that came out this year. Is that quilted tongue, that quilted inside, that quilted. Matter of fact, let me show y'all this insole as well, man. Like quilted everything when it comes to this sneaker, man. Like on both sides, not just on the front, but you got this quilted, you know what I'm saying, sock and the insole right here on the back of it is the same kind of material. So it's like a real soft, thick quilted material on this sneaker, man. You got the A Ma Maniere tag right there as well. Real nice details in this sneaker, man. Like I said, man, one of my favorite sneakers this year, and that's not even the only detail I got about these, you know what I'm saying, sneakers. On the back of the, you know what I'm saying, of course you got the Nike Air on the back of that sneaker right there that kind of gives it that, you know, that $225 price point for retail, you know what I'm saying, that special project, you know, that's what makes it an SP sneaker. But what makes this shoe so dope, in my opinion, man, is the meshes on the back of the pull tab, man. Y'all can see that right there. Get that to focus for y'all. Says it's not about the shoes, you know what I'm saying. Of course, you know, it's never about the shoes, but it makes a big difference. But then you got the other shoe, you know what I'm saying, you get the back of that pull tab right there, then get that focus. It's about where you're going. And that's, in my opinion, man, like the details they put into this sneaker, that's what makes this shoe like a cut above the rest, man. Like the little things, it's the little things about this shoe, man. Like, you know what I'm saying, like when I first seen them, you know, Jordan 1 Lost and Found, of course that's still a dope shoe in my opinion, but these right here, the details in this sneaker, man, the colors, the way it's so subtle, man. Like it's not too loud, you know what I'm saying, it's not a bright purple like how the Purple Canyons were, you know, and it's nothing like, you know, too fluorescent, nothing like this. Just like a real, it's like a mature looking shoe, you know what I'm saying? Like this sneaker, like it looks like, you know, elegance. If I, you know, you know, if I could say something, I said like an elegant shoe, you know what I'm saying? Like royalty, you know what I'm saying? Like, in my opinion, once again, you might have a different opinion than me, but these sneakers definitely a cut above the rest with the details they did with these sneakers, man. Like with the quilted insole or sock liner, I mean, around the side, quilted tongue, all that, man. Like it's definitely a cut above the rest with these, man. This is gonna be a shoe that I wasn't even skeptical about the shoe when I first seen pictures of them. You know, certain shoes come out, you see pictures and you're like, oh, I don't know how I feel about them. When I seen these, man, I was like, yeah, these one of them ones. This is a sneaker that I gotta have in my collection. I need to have in my collection. If I gotta pay resale for them, trust me, I was ready to pay resale, which I did pay resale because I did not get these for retail. So I was already ready to pay resale. I already had my coins in place for this shoe because I said I had to have this sneaker in my collection. Like, it's only certain shoes that I look at and say I gotta have, and this is definitely one of those ones that I said I had to have. Now, a lot of people are still saying, you know, they're not a big fan of them. They don't like the colors. They don't like, you know, the material. Cause it's a different material on this sneaker. Like, you know, it's not your normal nubuck. It's not. I can't really put my finger on what this material. It's different. You know what I'm saying? I can't even get no words out for what kind of material this is. I don't really know how to explain the feeling I get with this material, like a nubuck kind of, but at the same time, it's not like the same kind of feeling that a nubuck would give you. But I do feel like it might be like some sort of a nubuck material around the upper of the sneaker. But of course, you got your, you know, leather on the pull tab, all that. You know, everything else around the shoe is like your typical, you know, Jordan 4 materials. But this upper area, you know what I'm saying, is like a special kind of nubuck in my opinion. And of course, this is not the same kind of material, but I think a lot of the A Ma Manieres have this what you call quilted like design look on the inside of the shoe. The 3s had it, you know, the 4s have it. I never owned the 2s, never owned the 1s, so I can't really speak on those. I'm pretty sure a lot of people who have those shoes can say if they have that same kind of material. Me personally, I don't know. Never had that sneaker in hand, never owned it, but do own these 4. This is one of the ones that I had to have. I do want to kind of complete the collection. It's not a must that I complete the collection and get the 1s and the 2s, because I got the 3s and the 4s, the ones that I really wanted. So I got the ones that I truly did want, so I don't really know if I should, you know what I'm saying, go out and get the 2s and the 1s, because I know for a fact the 2s and the 1s won't get that many wears out of me because I'm not really too crazy for those 2 pairs. But definitely the 4s and the 3s, they up there with me. This, I can't say yet that it's better than the 3s, but if y'all know me, y'all know 4 is my favorite silhouette. So Me personally, I'm gonna say for my personal collection, this is better than 3s for me. You might have a different outlook on it because you know you don't really like 4s like that. You don't like the color blocking on this sneaker. But for me personally, I love the color blocking. I love the way, you know, the color sit on this sneaker. Love everything about this shoe. You know what I'm saying? This little part right here, like I said, it's not, you know, nothing to be like, oh, this shoe is terrible. Now, you know, I don't really care for it, but it's like, I don't look at the shoe different because of that one little small part, because everything else about this sneaker is, in my opinion, top tier. You can say what y'all want to say about it and saying, you know, it's bogus, this, that, and the third, ugly, whatever you want to say about it. Me personally, this might just be my new sneaker of the year. This right here is definitely my new sneaker of the year. It was the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Don't get me wrong, that's still way up there on my list, but these guys right here, these A Ma Maniere guys right here, man, yeah, definitely one of them ones that's gonna be getting a lot of words out of me. Of course, you can't just put it on with just anything, but the colors are still so subtle enough that you don't have to really look too hard for, you know, a nice little fit, you know, to put together with these sneakers. Cause it's like I said, it's not no real loud colors, you know, it's real subtle, real elegant. Once again, you know what I'm saying, an elegant sneaker, royalty. You know, that's how I look at it. So, with that being said, man, you know, once again, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel, and don't forget about that giveaway, man. I do get that Lost and Found Jordan 1 giveaway for the GSI 7. Still need that 500 subscribers by, you know, December 29th. I know it can be possible. I know it can happen. Just make sure y'all continue to share my videos. Y'all share my channel. When y'all watching the videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button for me, please. You know what I'm saying? I got more unboxing videos for y'all on the way. More videos coming. Way more videos coming, man. Plenty more videos coming. This is only the beginning. Only been on YouTube since July, so got a long road ahead of me. I don't plan on stopping no time soon. Don't plan on slowing down. Got my foot on the gas. All gas, no brakes. You know what I'm saying? Going all 2023, 24, 25, and so on and so on and so on, man. Until my internal clock runs out, I'm making videos, and you know, for as long as I possibly can. So with that being said, once again, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, man, tuning into my channel. Yeah, always telling a friend to tell a friend about me, man. And with that being said, I appreciate y'all, man, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.